Hi everyone, welcome back to the tutorial series that we are doing. This is the second tutorial which we are discussing in continuation to what we started with the first one. So this exercise, it has got a cylindrical feature with say internally there is a step, two steps are there turned inside. So the dimensions are pretty much mentioned there. Say outer diameter 100 and say the overall length is 140 and the first step is 120, the second step is 40 mm and the diameter of each of the steps are 20 and 60 and yeah, so this is the cut section view at A and this is the say side view. So having discussed about the dimensions, say how are you planning to make this part drawn? Say it is completely up to you. I believe say creating this line segments above the center line and going, if you can rotate it above the center line, so that might be the best way to go about, and that is what we are going to demonstrate in this video also. In case you have some other way, better way, you can share you can share that in the discussion section. So what we did, we are going to show you the step-by-step procedure. So we are just naming the file and then once the naming is done, say we get on to the arena and we choose the plane that we are going to draw upon, and we create the line segments say as we saw from the sketch. So you can start at a particular point and complete the entire line segments, a closed loop group of line segments just above the center line. So I'm just roughly executing the entire closed loop, and this additional line that I've created, I'm going to delete it now. Yes, I've deleted. So what remains is a closed loop sketch that I've drawn. So now I have to create modify the dimensions of each line segment. So one by one, I'm just trying to make change. Unless I wish you guys follow it. I'm not going to explain everything in detail. You can watch on your own. So the first two steps, lengths of 40, 120 and 140. So I'm using the normal feature to fix the depth of the first step, which is 120. So these are all like pretty much straightforward. The constraints, if any is there, yes, it is there. I'm just leaving it as it is. So every dimension is fixed, the sketch is done. I'm going to revolve it. So that gives me the said part drawing, the 3D visualization for the part drawing. So hope you too would get the same result. With that, we will stop this tutorial videos. We'll move on with the actual models that you're supposed to make from the CAD manuals that has been uploaded on LMS in the forthcoming videos. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed the session. Goodbye.